My name is Magda.
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 Are you from Poland too?
Yes.
Magda.
Magda, yes.
It's a hard name.
Trudne.
The Polish name is so hard, right?
Yes, you mean, do you know where is Poland?
The Poland name is so hard.
For you, Poland names, or do you mean names?
Everything name in Poland was very hard, right?
I would say the language is difficult, but the life is easier than here in Vietnam. I think that because we are in Europe, and in Europe sometimes it seems to be easier than it is in Vietnam.
Vietnamese is very hard, right?
Yes, women works very hard.
Can you speak Vietnamese?
Pardon?
Can you speak Vietnamese?
Vietnamese? No. Do you want to say something in Vietnamese
Yeah.
and I need to repeat? So,
What would you want?
for example, tell me, my name is Alexandra in Vietnam.
Tôi tên là
Tôi Taylor,
and read your name.
Alexandra.
Yeah.
Tôi what?
Tên.
Tên Alexandra.
Tôi tên
Tôi tên
là.
Tôi tên là Alexandra.
Rồi. Great.
I'm going good.
Krzysztof.
Krzysztof. Her husband's name is Krzysztof.
Yes.
Krzysztof.
Tôi tên là read your name.
Wiem, Magdalena. Co to nie?
Może czujesz 9 godzina, tu dzieci na dworcu się
No,
uczą
yeah.
angielskiego, nie?
Yeah.
Do you have sister?
No, I have one brother.
One brother?
Only?
How old?
What do you think how old is he? He's younger one.
He's quite young.
What do you think?
Jak myślisz, ile ma lat?
On?
Nie, jego brat.
4.
Four.
4.
4, you need to learn Polish.
Oh no, in primary school.
In primary school, so he's primary, I don't know, 7?
No.
He's younger than you.
Oh yes, yes, he's younger.
8.
No, sorry, you're right. Your right is 7.
7, okay.
Yeah,
How old are you?
What do you think? How old am I?
7?
No, older.
No, older, he's older.
Sorry?
6?
9.
9?
No. 9.
Where is your mother?
She's
She's
here.
there.
She's here.
Over there.
Okay. Powiedz, pyta się, gdzie jedzie.
Okay, do you live in this region?
Yes, I live in here.
Okay.
So, how many countries are there did you travel to?
The last time we are in Vietnam, but last year we was in Thailand. Thailand, yes. Cambodia.
Yeah.
A to się inaczej mówi.
Cambodia is next to Vietnam.
Yes, yeah, and most of the countries in Europe. So, for example, German, I don't know, France, Czech Republic. It's like quite small countries in Europe. So usually we visit this place. Spanish, some islands Spanish.
Yes.
So
So, is this your second time in Vietnam?
no, this is first time.
First time.
Yes.